What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're just going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is still trading in this horizontal narrow trading pattern, as you can see in between the yellow trend lines, but also Bitcoin is also forming this upward trend line on the blue trend line. Bitcoin's current price is 80,600. In my personal opinion, I do believe that Bitcoin will continue to trade along that blue trend line support. There is a possibility, however, Bitcoin can take a slight dip and actually trade again within the horizontal narrow yellow trend lines. Again, it's not financial advice. That's just a probability. As you can see with the orange arrows, Bitcoin's price can go in either direction. We could make a parabolic shift upward. We could see that God candle, that green candle that everyone is looking for. It all depends on the macro events pertaining to Bitcoin. We could dip below that blue trend line and continue to trade sideways within that trend line, that yellow trend line support. Or we could take a very extreme dip, breaking all trend lines, the blue and the yellow, and dip below the 70,000 mark and go back to the 60 or even 50,000 support level. But again, those are just probabilities. It just also depends on the macro events pertaining to Bitcoin, like the Clarity Act. There's a lot of conflict going on in the Middle East as well, like usual. So there's a lot of things going on in our world that makes Bitcoin's price extremely volatile. I do want to show you guys the 4 hour chart just to give you guys another perspective. As you can see in the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin's price has changed drastically over the past few months, especially on the 4 hour chart. As you can see over the past couple weeks, primarily starting in April, last month actually, Bitcoin has been trading in this upward channel. As you can see on the bottom yellow trend line, it has 2 touch points. The top trend line has 3 different touch points. Bitcoin's current price is 80,600. As you can see, drawn within that channel, I give you guys my prediction on what the price can do next. We could possibly hit the 80,000, 88,000, 90,000 price mark, and then make our way back down to about 81, 82,000, and then trade a little sideways in that price range until Bitcoin makes another push back to that 89, 90,000 support price level. But let me know you guys' thoughts and opinions. As you can see with the 2 orange arrows that I've drawn, Bitcoin's price could break the top trend line and actually go parabolic. A lot of people are looking for that God candle, that huge candlestick, green candlestick that will make Bitcoin's price go parabolic. But we could also break that bottom trend line and dip even further below to that 70,000 price range, or even that 60,000 price range. Again, it just depends on the macro and micro events that make Bitcoin's price extremely volatile. There is no guarantees in the crypto world. Price points are very hard to predict. I usually do it through technical analysis, technical analysis. I do use other indicators as well. It just depends on how I'm trading. But let me know you guys' thoughts and opinions. Please like, share, and subscribe, and you guys have a good rest of your day.